Adrian Lepp here, folks, with Global Shopping App. I wanted to give you a demonstration real quick of why this is such a powerful shopping tool that everybody that listens to this ought to download this. First of all, it's absolutely free. Okay, it's been downloaded over 30 million times. It's a very safe application, and it just flat out works, and I'm going to show you how. Watch this. First of all, I want to tell you right now, this is not a toolbar. A toolbar is something like this. See this Google toolbar across the top here? This is a toolbar. And let me just open my Yahoo one right here. See all these things that appear? This is my Yahoo toolbar here. This is my Google toolbar. They have a lot of junk on here that you don't need. People don't like toolbars. They distrust them. They take up real estate space. I understand all that. So I just want you to understand what we're talking about today is an application. It is not a toolbar. It's invisible. It runs behind the scenes. You don't even see it. Notice there's nothing on this screen right here. It works with Google, MSN, Yahoo, Bing. It works with the 9 top search engines. It works with Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome. It's cross-browser compatible. So this thing is really powerful. For this demonstration, I'm just going to use Google here. So it's about a week before Christmas right now as I'm filming this, and game consoles are hot right now. Xbox 360s, Wii's, things like that. PlayStation 3s, PC games are really big right now, and people are going online trying to find the best prices. Well, a game that's coming out that people are really excited about is this Battlefield Bad Company 2. So I'm going to just use this as an example. Now notice when I put this in Google and search, this search bar magically appears across the bottom. This was not here before. Again, this is not a toolbar. This is an application. When you're not searching, it disappears. For example, if I was to go to another site, you notice the toolbar just disappears. You see it's not there anymore. When I go back to the search page, there it is. I love that. So when you're online working or you're checking your email or something, it's not there. It only pops up when you're actually searching for the price of something. Okay, so I got my Battlefield Bad Company 2 in there, okay? Now, you'll see different links here, Amazon, Costco, Walmart. We're in multiple countries, so depending on what country you're in, you'll see different things here. But for this demonstration, I'm going to show you this compare button. So you click the compare button, and it pops up this little window here. These are the top 6 shopping and comparison sites on the internet right now. Payless Search, Shopping.com, BizRate, Google Product Search, Deal Time, Price Grabber, okay? I just leave them all checked. I hit go. Now watch what happens. It's going to take that Battlefield search that was in Google, and it's going to take that and it's going to embed it into the search field of each one of these sites and automatically do a search for me, and it's going to open them up in 6 different tabs. So it just takes a minute here. Now notice my mouse is right here. I'm not doing this. This is doing it by itself. It's all automated. So it's going to take that Battlefield Bad Company 2 search, and it's going to go ahead and search the 6 top shopping and comparison sites to find the best price on that product. This thing saves you so much time and money. I can't tell you, we have thousands of testimonials from people that use this to find everything under the sun. It just really is amazing. So after a few minutes, after these 6 sites pop up, then what you can do is you can go here. This was my original one right here. This was the Google one that I did a search on. Okay, the first one that popped up here was this Payless Search. So you see in here, Battlefield Bad Company 2. Between $19 and $69. Here's $16 to $59, $19, $39, $39, $31. So there's different variations and different platforms. But you can just quickly look at this. There's Best Buy for $39, CD Universe. Get a very good idea, okay? So that's Payless Search. Then you just quickly go to the next screen, okay? 30. Here's one for $15. 65 different sellers, 96 different sellers. 21, 30, 53, 21. You go to the next comparison shop site. Here you go. Here's some people selling them $8.99, $9.99, $9.99, $17. You get the idea here. Look at this. So just quickly, by hitting a couple of tabs here, I can get an idea of where to find the lowest prices. $18 if I want it for Windows. So you see where I'm going at with this, and then here I'll just go to the last one right here. This is Price Grabbers, between $8.99 on up. So there's every price under the sun for you, but look how quickly I found those. All I did, to recap, is I went to my search engine, I typed what I was looking for, I went down here on this compare button and I hit compare. It popped up these different windows right here, and now with just a few clicks of the button I can quickly locate the lowest price online. This thing is very, very good. And I'll tell you why this is so good. On a typical search like this on Google, you'll notice the results, Battlefield Company 2. This matches almost exactly what I'm searching for. That's why it's number one. So this site is optimized for this keyword search. It might not have, it's the main corporate site, but it might not be where you buy the game, okay? Here's a couple places in here, $30, $30, $15, but you saw we found it cheaper than that using that search tool down here. Here's some news on it and so on and so on. I mean, you could go in here and you could plow through dozens and dozens of pages looking for this, but it's important you understand that the way the search engines work, they return results based on which sites were optimized. So if I was just to pick this one, for example, right here, this one, news, this might be the most expensive place to buy it, but it's on the front page of Google only because the people optimize the site very well to work with this keyword. So when you're shopping for the lowest prices, you're almost never going to find them on the front page. You're going to end up going many, many pages, 4 pages back, sometimes 10 pages back to get outside of the optimized websites before you really start getting a fair comparison of the price. Now another thing you don't want to do, so that pretty much eliminates using these for finding the prices up front. Another thing you don't really want to rely on is what you might see over here. If I refresh this, you'll see ads over here. These are the Google pay-per-click ads. These are basically just advertisements. And you're not really going to get the lowest prices over here either. The best way to find the lowest price on anything is with this Shopping Genie application. You just install it on your computer, you do a search, you hit the compare button, and bam, you'll instantly find the lowest prices anywhere in the world on whatever you're looking for. So this is a fabulous, fabulous tool. Let me just go to their website real quick and I'll show you something here. Very important. First of all, look at this. User validated over 30 million times last year. So folks, this thing is tried and true and tested. It works with all the major search engines. You can see that, and these are some of the corporate sites they work with. But the main thing is I wanted to show you is right here. The shopping tool and search app does not collect, save, or transmit any information about you, your computer, your search habits, your email addresses, your internet connection, or anything else. That's very important. I really respect that. We also certify that the Shopping Genie app contains no adware, spyware, malware, or anything else that interferes with the operation of your computer or your privacy. The Genie app only appears in your computer screen when you open it up and use a major search engine. So that is really important. This thing is very safe. Again, 30 million times it was downloaded last year. So I'm just letting you know, if you are looking for the best price on something and you want to know the quickest way to find it, this is the way to do it. You download this application, you install it, it only takes a couple of seconds, it works with all the major search engines, you put what you're searching for here, you do a search, you do a compare, and boom, your prices are right there. So I hope you found this valuable. I hope you use it. I use it all the time. Again, we have thousands of testimonials on this. There'll be a link underneath this video for you to check it out yourself. It's free. There's no cost to this. It's a free application, and I highly recommend you try it out. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this, and we shall talk to you down the road. Have a great evening.